Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGG and this is my kitchen, where I'll be showing you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to your home. So today on the chopping block, guys, I'm going to be showing you how I make mine. That's right, a bagel, ham, and cheese burger. Alright, and these are the ingredients. Alright, right here I got some ham right here, some smoked ham. And I'll leave a link to my when I made the sub sandwiches up here. But that's what I did. I sliced these up. I have some 80-20 ground beef right here. This is like a pound. I have some onions. Bring that over here. I have some onions sliced up, some pickles sliced up, some cheese, and some butter leaf lettuce right there, okay? And here's my brioche bagels right here. And I'm going to be making a burger sauce with some mayo, ketchup, some chipotle seasoning, and some mustard. And the only thing we're going to put on this burger is this Kinder's caramelized onion burger. Okay? That's all we're going to do. Right there. That's what that is. If I can let you guys see that. You know how the camera like to zoom in on everything beside the right thing. Alright. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and start prepping this stuff up. It's already actually prepped up. We're going to go ahead and start doing these buns, burgers, and ham. See you guys over there in the skillet in a minute. Okay fam, I'm back. Just gonna take a look. I got this on medium for now, just to get it started. Put just a little butter on here. Alright. Take our buns. This don't take that long at all. I like to move mine around in here like so. We're just going to brown these up, guys. Shouldn't take no more than about a minute. Okay? So I'll let you know how that looks when that get brown in a minute. Okay fam, I'm back. These breads should be brown. Told you don't take no more than about a minute. See? We're going to sit this on the prep table. We're going to come in here with some ham. And we just giving this just a little stir. That's it. Just a little bit. 1, 2, 3. So it's 3 per burger. Alright. This don't take long at all, guys. Just warming it up pretty much. So this is warmed up pretty much, guys. Told you we weren't going to do too much to this. And I'm going to go ahead and take this off. And then we'll get started on our burgers. See you guys in a minute. Okay, guys, I'm back. We'll go ahead and put our burgers on here. But before we do that, I did taste that seasoning. It didn't have that much salt on it at all. And I like mine to have tons of flavor. So I'm going to take this burger and put a little seasoning on it. Like a little salt. Pink sea salt. So just drizzle a little bit on there. Not a lot, guys. I don't like a salty burger. Put a little of my onion stuff on here. Put that on there. Alright. Some big old burgers. One of these is guaranteed to fill you up. I promise you that. Alright, season this side. Alright. A little caramelized onion. I'm not smashing down on them or nothing. I'm just going to let those cook about 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes on each side. I'll see you guys when it's time to flip. Okay, fam, I'm back. I'm trying to flip these burgers. All was straight. Just like that. You smash down on that side. Just like that, fam. Alright, we're going to let this cook for about 2 minutes on this side, and then we're just going to put the cheese on there. Not while it's cooking though. Alright? See you guys in a minute. Okay, fam, while the burger's still cooking, we're just going to come in here with a 1/4 teaspoon of ketchup. Quarter teaspoon of mustard. And a little chipotle. Just like that. We're just gonna mix this up. Alright, that's done. We're gonna take our buns, put a little of that on there. Alright, that's done. We're going to take our lettuce at the bottom base. Put that on there. Just like so. Gonna come with 2 tomatoes. And we're gonna put our cheese on our burger. And I'll show you how we assemble that in a minute. Okay, fam, I'm back. I already put 1 burger on there. As you can see, I put cheese at the bottom as well. And I'm gonna take this other burger and just put this on top of here. Okay, just like so. Alright. Then we're gonna take our ham, put our ham on there. The ham act like bacon, you know what I mean? I hope you guys making these recipes. I'm working really hard for you guys. I'm trying to show you guys how I be putting stuff together. Restaurant quality food. Alright, now we're going to take on some onions and put some onions on the tops, much as you want. Then we're going to take our pickles. We're going to just throw these on top of here. Much as you want. And take our top and put it on there. And there you have it, right there, guys. This is a bagel, ham, and cheeseburger in VELDOGG's Kitchen. So when I come back, I'll show you guys all the setup and close it out. See you guys in a minute. Let me show you guys that first, up close. All right. All right, see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm finally done with this bagel, ham and cheese burger. All right, I'm gonna show you that up close. It's so big you can't even put it in there really. All right, that's how that looks. I hope you guys make this sandwich because it's off the chain for real, for real. I have made this a long time ago. All right guys, if you appreciate these videos and like this video, give me a like and a share, and please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell just like so. Hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGGS Kitchen. Much love and happy cooking.